goes. We can move on. This is different.
Yeah, right? I feel like our bed is bigger.
Where's the closet smaller, I think? Or is that the closet? What's in there? That's the bathroom, obviously.
I bet the bathroom's huge. Guarantee you.
Alright guys, so let me turn it around here. So we're in 8342 Carnival Dream. I believe this is actually a ADA compliant room, but it's totally different than what we have in the Valor. But let me show you. Put it back around like so. As soon as we came in the door, this is different for us. As soon as we came in the door, you have your closet, your bed. I feel like the bed's, it's a king size bed though, I think. So that's what I requested. TV. You don't have a table like we did last time.
Oh yeah.
And then in the bathroom. Because it's ADA compliant, so I'm sure it's bigger. Just the, which I'll take. Wow, I'm gonna have to hold that up a little bit higher though, because that shower head's lower than I am. But there you go. Quick, easy as always, but just so y'all can see, we up in here. So it is 1:40, and we are about to do what? What are we about to do? About to relax. We're about to relax. I figured I'd make a separate video about the cabin. Like I showed you the cabin in the last video we did as far as in the whole cruise, but just to kind of show you more of what's in the cabin outside of, you know, what the layout is. So let me show you some things here. So the little things that you, if you haven't been on a cruise yet, you'll see or you'll learn, like this mat right here. This mat, I know the first time we was here was like, why? What is the point? The mat's just for you to basically lay your luggage, all that stuff down, even though, look, it's on the bed still. But lay all your stuff down, unpack, do all that stuff. You have that there. I know when we first started cruising too, we also wondered about, like, I always bring a lot of like charger, like backup batteries and everything, but there are lamps on this that have USB inputs as well too. So you can, you know, if you don't want to bring like a actual power charger adapter or anything, you have some USB inputs on both sides too. On each side, got some space there. Same thing on that side here. So that's just for y'all to know that the outside. See the closets if you want to see as far as in the space. It's always not too much space, but you got some space in here. Now again, this is a little different because we're in an ADA compliant room, but and then this one here, closets, you have your life vest, some extra pillows, and some drawers. So that's that there. Of course, you have your fridge. If you want to bring your 12-pack, get some water, whatever the case is. You know, your leftover. Again, the water. This is not complimentary. It's $3.75. But as you move up in status, you'll get complimentary stuff. So we should have one on the way. Again, I have a plug outlet here, international. All right, so here's the thing. Now I'll show y'all because this is so the plug outlet, international adapter. There's a drawer for you ladies that like to use the hair dryer, or fellas. This lights up as well too, so you have this as well. But let me show you what I'm talking about. This is tip one. This is what I do. I like to, so you have that one plug here. I bought this Belkin adapter, just adds 3 more to it. And then of course I got a charging cord as well too, so just adds about 5 more in a quick charge as well. So now you have multiple charging stations, so you just don't have that one. So you want to hook up your phone, you know, your Apple Watch. Ladies, if you have any more, you know, straight irons, all that stuff, you can do that all right here and be good. It's also, let's see what's in here. There was a safe in the last one. I don't know if the safe. There we go. It's also safe. Keep all your items in there because you're not really going to carry around, I don't think, your wallet as much or anything because you have your card. So okay, it's not as much as I thought I was going to show. But we ain't got our bags yet either. See, that's another difference. I'm gonna put like some type of like button that pops up or something that says faster to the front perks or whatever, because we don't have our bags yet, and I don't know how long it's gonna take. We had faster to the front the first time, and they were there. Actually, last time we had faster to the front, and they put our bags on the wrong floor, but nonetheless, it came a lot quicker. So we're gonna look at our itinerary. We're gonna chill and get organized, and then we have the steak dinner tonight, and with the steak dinner comes a free glass of champagne or wine, I think, and then see what's up. We'll let y'all know what's up and get back to you.